Good evening and welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you today? I hope you guys are all doing good today, and once again I'm really sorry for the long gap between this video and the previous videos. This time I just purchased small earbuds from I won't reveal it now. I'll just let you know which brand and what type of quality and how did I like that. I'll just let you know. I just received this Amazon package just now, just 10 minutes ago. So before I unbox, I just thought of sharing it with you guys as well, how my unboxing experience is. So let's go ahead and quickly unbox this right away. Let me just tear this now. Okay. Look at, guys, I have this one now. It's Sony C500. Do you see this? A sealed one. Let me see what else it is there on the box. On the left side there are a few details. Just make a note, the box says 10 hours plus 10 hours battery backup. Okay, equalizer customization and IPX4 water resistance it says, and on the top it says like hands-free and one side use, not sure what that is. Let me quickly unbox this, remove the seal right away. I had ordered this product today morning around 10:30 p.m. from Amazon. Okay, the actual price was 4,499, but then with a bank offer and 1,000 of instant discount, I just got this product for 3,499 rupees. 1,000 instant discount, I just received it. Okay, so only on Amazon. If you go with Flipkart, still it is costing you 4,499. Yep. Okay. Do you see there is a box inside this wrap as well? Okay, let's keep this aside. See, another box inside this. Okay, same contents even on the insider box. So I'll just quickly open this. Okay, there's a gift inside that. Wow, guys, do you see this? Do you see this? How good it looks actually. Are you able to see this? Yeah. So let's just keep this aside. I'll show you what else I get inside this box. Let me just turn on the torch. Okay. And you see, all size of earbuds. Okay, then USB-C to USB-A cable for charging the case, the headphone earbuds case. Inside that, this seems to be a manual. Yes, we have a manual over here, like how to use this and all that. This wireless stereo headset. Okay, these things are not useful for us, so let me just keep it aside. Okay, you get inside the box, bro. You just stay there. Now I'll just open this one up now. Wow, guys, do you see this? It's from Sony. Alright, let me just open this up. Just at the back side, do you guys see this? Some information is given: made in Vietnam, then output input thing is given there. Okay, that is none of our business, so I'll just open the case now. Whoa guys, just see how good this is. Wow, the button seems so smooth, you know, to click anything. Okay, both are of same design, but there is right and left alone. Okay, so there is a sticker here, so the charge shouldn't be lost. Oh, the magnet thing looks very attractive, you know. Let me just try. See, it's not falling down. It's not even falling down even if you shake it hard. Expecting very good thing with this. Okay, that was all for now. I'll do one thing, I'll just start using this and I'll let you know how good these are. Alright, that's all for now guys. I'll just share you my experience with these headphones very soon. Thank you so much for your time guys. Take care. Bye.